Hello everyone and welcome back. We know that some superheroes possess impressive superhuman strength, which gave them the ability to lift heavy objects without any difficulty, and can defeat their most of the enemy. By the time if their anger increases, they become enraged and almost undefeatable. They can even hurt their friends in a fury. Today we will see such a battle between these superheroes, Hulk from the MCU and the Juggernaut from the Deadpool 2. Consider that in this battle we will talk about only the characters as shown in the movies but not about their comic book versions. Now let the battle begin. Round 1. Strength. We know that both these superheroes possess impressive superhuman strength. For example, Hulk can easily shake the area by hitting the ground to distract Abomination. Also, this guy has the ability to stop a huge Leviathan with a single punch, as we have already seen in the Avengers 1 movie. Or smash the Asgardian god Loki, who is originally Thor's brother. And also Thor himself in the Thor Ragnarok movie when he was trying to calm down him and got smashed. Also, he becomes more powerful and aggressive as his anger increases, which make him almost undefeatable. The Incredible Hulk also managed to defeat Abomination and also knocked out the God of Thunder Thor in the Battle of Sakaar. This guy defeats the giant Fenris Wolf to save the lives of Asgardian people, who is originally Thor's evil sister, Hela's pet, and even managed to punch down the Crown of Sutor. He also gave a tough time to the Iron Hulkbuster. At the same time, Juggernaut is considered as one of the strongest mutants in the world. He can break the whole bridge with a single punch, as we have seen his power in the Deadpool 2. Plus, he can easily lift heavy objects like a school bus to distract his opponents. The Juggernaut has the muscles which are 1,000 times denser than a normal human body, and can separate Deadpool into two or multiple pieces, and also knocked out the X-Men Colossus, who is considered as one of the most physical strongest mutants in the world, and again knocked out Deadpool in the final battle of Deadpool 2. Both these superheroes possess impressive superhuman strength, and it is very difficult to detect which one has the most strength. So this round is tied and both superheroes get 1 point. The round 2 is Durability Battle. Although the Green Avenger's skin is totally bulletproof, as we have seen in the Incredible Hulk military attack, and can heal very quickly. We have seen this when he is fighting against the giant Fenris Wolf to help his brother Thor. Hulk can also survive the energy blast from the Hulkbuster and the thunder blast of Thor while he is fighting against Thor in the Battle of Sakaar, and can also survive the long-range sonic Humvees. On the other hand, the gigantic Juggernaut is also totally bulletproof like the Green Avenger and can survive against any nuclear weapon with zero damage to bones and skin. This superhuman guy can live without food and oxygen, and can kill every person who come in his way. I think that both these superheroes are almost equal in this round, and the durability battle is also tied, and both superheroes will get 2 points. The round 3 is special combat abilities and skills. Remember that this is the last round, and the winner of this round will be the winner of the whole battle. Although combat abilities and special skills are very important in the battle, and Juggernaut knows this factor. Juggernaut is well established in this round. He can fight for many times without any rest, and by the way, thanks to his helmet, which not only protects him from the physical damage but also from the other damages, which he wear in the Deadpool 2. If we are talking about the Hulk, then we can't forget the Bruce Banner, a person who possesses a genius level intellect, and he is specialist in the biochemistry and the radiophysics. and he also helps Tony Stark in the making of Ultron and Vision. Besides it, Hulk can travel a long distance through its jumps and can smash its enemies very easily. Also, he can catch things from the sky like the Iron Man falling from sky. This guy can also create an air blast through its punch or even through its clap. And also don't forget, this guy has held the Infinity Gauntlet with the Infinity Stones in the Avengers Endgame. Due to more beneficial abilities and combat skills, he is able to defeat Juggernaut in the third round and also in the whole battle. So Hulk wins this round with 1 point ahead. If you think that Juggernaut is able to defeat Hulk, then please share your thoughts in the comments. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and also make sure to give a huge thumbs up on this video as always as you can. See you soon.